Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Need to present something in a meeting, like a slide deck, video, or just show what's on your screen. Let me show you how to share your screen in Google Meet the right way, without glitches or audio issues. Let's begin. Once you're inside a Google Meet call, look at the bottom toolbar and click on the Present Now button. You'll get three options. Your entire screen, a window, a tab. Here's how they work. Entire screen lets you share everything on your desktop, best for switching between apps. A window shares only a specific app, like PowerPoint or Notepad. A tab is ideal for sharing videos or websites, and you can even share tab audio if you're playing sound. Choose your option, select the screen or window, and hit Share. If you're sharing a video with sound, make sure you check the box that says Share Tab Audio. That's crucial, or they won't hear anything. To stop sharing, just click Stop Sharing at the bottom or return to the Meet tab. Smooth and simple, and it works great for teaching, demoing, or team meetings. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, How to Fix Techie, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.